Welcome to Sergio Creativity.
Meeting a new person. Welcome! In this session, we're going to learn how to build a conversation with someone new. In Finnish, as in all languages, we have building blocks. Once you have the blocks, you can build any sentence you need. Don't try to memorize, just follow the logic. If you need a moment to think, just hit the pause button. Let's start with I am. In formal Finnish, this is Minä, olen. Student, how do you say I am? Minä, olen. Good. Now imagine you're at a library. You want to tell someone you're a student. The word for student is opiskelija. How would you say I am a student? Minä olen opiskelija. Perfect. Now let's look at you. You is sinä. To ask a question in Finnish, we take the verb and add a little hook to the end of it, ko or kala. So if you are is sinä olet, how would you ask are you? Oletko sinä? Exactly. You put the are at the front and add the hook. Now ask, are you a student? Oletko sinä opiskelija? Now let's learn the street version. Finns are efficient. In the street, they don't say minä olen, they say mä on. Student, try the relaxed I am. Mä on. And you are becomes sä oot. Student, how do you say you are informally? Sä oot. Brilliant. Now let's talk about names. My name is Minun nimeni. Is on. Student, tell me, my name is your name. Minun nimeni on student. Good. Now let's find out their name. What is Mika? Your is sinun. Name with the your suffix is nimesi. So what is your name? Mika sinun nimesi on. Perfect logic. Now, how would a Finn say that at a party? They use the shortcut for your, which is sun. What is your name, informally? Mika sun nimi on. Now let's learn the word for who. It is kuka. If you wanted to ask who are you using the building blocks we just learned, how would you do it? Kuka sinä olet. And the informal street version, remember you are is sä oot. Kuka sä oot. Excellent. Finally, let's be polite. When you meet someone, you want to say, nice to meet you. The word for nice is kiva. The word for to meet is tavata. Student, put them together. Nice to meet you. Kiva tavata. If someone says that to you, you say, thanks, likewise. Thanks is kiitos. Likewise is samoin. Student, kiitos, samoin. Let's do a quick-fire review of the blocks. How do you say I am in the street? Mä on. How do you ask who are you formally? Kuka sinä olet. How do you ask what is your name informally? Mikä sun nimi on? How do you say nice to meet you? Kiva tavata. You've just mastered the art of the Finnish introduction. You aren't just memorizing phrases, you're building them. Nähdään pian. See you soon.